Hello everyone, I'm Gauri Ballard. Welcome to my blog Bit of Everything, which in itself says that I'm a lover of wide range of topics. I'm like that honeybee who likes to collect nectar from variety of flowers, and hence I like to write on variety of topics under the sun. And this topic is not just restricted to writing, but in various interests in my life. That is why I also call myself as Mrs. Multipotentialite. Starting my blog in 2019 open and exposed me to a new dimension of my personality as a multipotentialite. Niching down to a specific topic is still a tremendous task for me. So, this complex mixture of my personality has driven me to combine all my micro passions in one umbrella topic, which has given birth to Holistic Lifestyle Blog. Now, you must be thinking, why Holistic Lifestyle Blog and not an ordinary lifestyle blog? The answer to this question lies in my own unique blend of personality, which I have discovered over a period of time. I'm a spiritual seeker by heart. I love to find deeper meaning in life, in small things. I love inspiring people and motivating people. Being a depression and OCD survivor, I have developed a heightened sense of awareness about myself. I know how is it like to live a life like a zombie, and which has taught me the hard way to live every moment of your life happily. In spite of being spiritually inclined since my childhood, I don't believe in giving up all the worldly pleasures, but striking a perfect balance between the materialistic and the spiritual world like a modern contemporary monk through holistic living. Creativity and variety are the essence of my personality, and my engine often requires this soul food to keep me going because it restores my energy to blog consistently and often helps me with my writer's blog occasionally. I believe life is all about balance, just like the laws of nature. Our life is all about learning the art of balance to lead a happy and contented life. The lifestyle we live leaves a great impact on our overall well being, and in turn, it reflects in all areas of your life. Do we agree with the fact that this pandemic has completely shifted the way we look at the normality? We have started self reflecting, we have started understanding our nature and our surrounding more than ever before. In some cases, it has even challenged your self beliefs. And why not? All these years, we've been living an autopilot life filled with materialistic pleasures without realizing that apart from physicality, there also exist two more aspects uh, to our individuality, that is your mind and body, which makes you whole. And that is why today's generation needs holistic living to align their mind, body, and spirit by working on various aspects of your life to find the best version of yourself, which retains your strength and clarity to face any challenge in any area of your life. I agree that I am imperfect soul like any other who is on the journey of discovering and learning a lot of things in the process. And yes, at times you might find me unfocused, but all I can assure you is that my content comes straight from my heart, is extremely relatable, genuine to the core, highly motivational, with a deeper meaning in life, and always well researched. In my life journey of rise and fall, I have discovered various shades of my personality, and I truly love the kind of madness package I create through my ingredients of personal development, spirituality, personal ramblings, poems at times, food, travel, DIY, non-fiction book reviews, mental health awareness, all about multipotentialites, and the list goes on. Altruism comes naturally to me, therefore, aligning my passion to purpose together gives me a higher purpose and higher sense of fulfillment. And why not? That is what the human goal is in this life. That is what I believe. Through this madness package of my pure authenticity, I wish to inspire everyone who joins me in this journey by helping them curate their own secret recipe to live a well structured, holistic life filled with happiness, fulfillment, balance, with no rooms for regrets in their life. To join me in this meaningful journey, all you have to do is subscribe to my blog, and all the timeless, ageless wisdom is ready to get flooded in your email box. Thank you for subscribing.